Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Mathematics. And in this video, we are going to learn the 1.4 subunit questions based on the numbers from 1 to 100. The title itself describes the questions from 1 to 100 in between these two numbers, how many the criterias are there, how to classify there, how to identify the digits in 10 place or unit place, and we have to make the counting. So in the base, this subunit is totally on the counting. I'm again repeating, this is a totally on counting. Okay, whether that counting is for the even number, odd number, prime number, co-prime number, or square number, triangular number, or we can say the digit position in unit place or tens place, or we can say the how many times occur, whether that is in unit place or tens place. Okay, so 1 to 100, this is a table 1 to 100. On screen you can see, listen this carefully. This table, you know this, all these numbers. Okay, even you know the more than thousands and the 10,000, even lakhs also. But now we are just concentrating on the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, in here the single digit number also, two digit number also, and the three digit number also. How many three digits? Only one. Like this, these are the question. Which is the highest two digit number? Then we can say this 99 is the highest two digit number. Which is the lowest two digit number? This is the lowest, or we can say the smallest two digit number. Which is the highest single digit number? Then we can say the 9, like this one. How many times 0 occur in this one? How many times one digit occur, or how many times one digit is occurring in two digit numbers, or we can say how many times the three digit is occurring in a two digit number, like this one. There are so many questions. To give this answers of such a types of the questions, we have to make our fundamentals very clear, and we must know all the classifications from 1 to 100, whether that classification on prime number, co-prime number, square number, triangular number, then even number, odd number, like these ones. Okay, as I told, the numbers including or excluding given digits in this series. Okay, so whether that excluding or including, sometimes asking about the excluding means what and including means what. So including means only that counting related to that one. Okay, excluding means we have to neglect that one, or we have to exclude that one, means we have to deduct that part, and then remaining part has to be considered. This is the something meaning. Or we can say the excluding means removing for some things, that called the excluding. Okay, then two digit numbers including excluding in a given digit number means whether that one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit, or nine digit, anything. We have to count in two digit numbers, and particularly including, or sometimes asking the excluding, like this one. So such a type of the questions are most probably asked in these subtypes, and these types is particularly for this range from 1 to 100. Okay, so this is the numbers from 1 to 100 consider. In between this one, such a types of the questions asking. So students must be listen this one and understand these fundamentals. This is very basic fundamentals, and these are the very much important, not for only the mathematics, but also for the intelligent test. Okay, so these tables on screen you can see here, the numbers mentioned. Numbers means the digit. Okay, so we know the digits are 0 to, we can say the 9, means 0, then 1 2 3 4 up to the 9. Now particularly about the 0 digit. Now here on a second column you can see how many times the digit occur from 1 to 100. Digit occur. Now this 0 is the digit. Now how many times this is occurred? Okay, so if you see the number table, now 0 is only in this way. Okay, 10 20 30 40, like this up to the 100. Now how many times occur? How many times? Okay, then we can say these are the 10 numbers, but the 0 occurring 11 times. Now how 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, up to here the 9 times, but in 100 2 times occurs, means here 9, then 10 and 11. So we can say the 11 times 0 occur from 1 to 100, like this one. Here the 11, like this one. How many times the number occur in two digit number? Now here 2-digit number means, now this is the 3-digit number. Now 2-digit number means from 10 to the 90 we have to consider, or we can say the 99. But from 91 to 99 there is no zero, so we will say up to the 90 means 9 numbers. So that this 9 times occurs, so here 9 comes. Now about the digit 1. About the digit 1, if you see the number table from 1 to 100, now here the 1, then here also, here also. But now first of all we will count, then one digit occurs at the unit place only. I am again repeating, the one digit occur at the unit place only. Here the unit place, here, here, like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the 10 comes, okay. This is tens. Now the one digit at the tens place. Now here 1, here also 1 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here the 10 comes. So this 10 time counting and then 10 counting. Now after this one, the 1 occur at the hundreds place. Okay, tens place we counted. Now 100 place. In 100 number, one digit occurs at the hundreds place, and this is the 1 counting. So added 1. So this comes 10 plus 10 plus 1, 21. So the 21, this one digit occurs. Okay. Now how many times the number occur in 2 digit? Only about the 2 digit means this one and this one we have to neglect. We have to neglect, or we have to exclude this one, means we have to remove that one from our counting. Now previously how many counts are comes? 21 times. Now 1 and then this 2 has to be removed, means minus 2 counting, so 19 comes. Means one digit occur in 2 digit number, means 2 digit number means from 10 to 99, so that comes the 19 times. Now from digit 2 to 9, how many times the digit occur from 1 to 100? Okay, now if you see the table, first of all we will look for the 2. Now here the 2 is there. Now only about the unit place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this 10 comes. Okay, now 2 at the tens place. Now 2 at the tens place means here 1, and in this row from 21 to 29, these are the 9. Okay, so this 9 and this one 10. So this previously 10 plus this 10 counting, so it comes the 20. And the same criteria, same as like the 2 digit, it's same for the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we can say 2 to 9 digits are occur 20 times from 1 to 100. Okay, so this is the same mentioned here, 20 times. Now how many times the number occur in 2 digit number? Now 2 digit number means this one digit single times, means we can say the single digit number. This counting we have to deduct. I'm again repeating, counting we have to deduct. Previously 20 times comes, but this one time counting for the 2 remove, means this comes the 19. Same for the 3 also 19 comes, same for the 4 also, up to the same 19 also the 19 counting comes. So here 19 comes. I hope this table is very important and you have understand this one. Okay, again I'm repeating, occurring, okay, means how many times this digit occur from 1 to 100, and how many times number occurred in 2 digits, or we can say this digit. Okay, this number we mention here, the digit mention, we can say the digit mention here. Okay, means digit occurring in 2 digit number. Okay, like this one, so that digit has to be counted. Now we will see further some examples. We can find the digit including from 1 to 100 2 digit numbers. Okay, means 2 digit number means here they are mentioned about 1 to 100 only. Okay, now we already considered and we have found out this one. Now how many 2 digit numbers are there excluding 4 digit number? Now we know all the 4 digit number from 1 to 100 how many times comes, as we know that this is the 20. Okay, how many times we know the total 2 digit numbers. Okay, so total 2 digit numbers means hundreds minus this 1 and this 1 to 9, means this 1 to 9 9 counting, and then 100 1 counting, so there are the 9 plus 1 10 counting, so we deduct the 10, so 90 comes. Okay, so here the two digits numbers are 90 from 1 to 100. This is the meaning. Then excluding 4, we have to exclude now 4. Now if you see only the two digit numbers, how many countings for the 4? 4 is counted for the 19. Okay, so if we deduct this one 19, okay, so how many times it comes? The 19 means it comes the 71. But the important, now only here the two digit numbers which excluding the 4, but 44 is the number here where the two times digit occur. But now we are counting for the number, complete number. Okay, means we have reduce one more times. Okay, means one we have extra, we have to reduce, so we have to reduce here 18 instead of the 19. So this answer comes the 72. Okay, now I am again repeating, this 19 comes the only about the digit. Okay, how many times that digit occur, but the 44 number is the such a number where the two times this 4 number is occur, and we have to only counting for the numbers here. Okay, the two digit numbers. Okay, we have to count that number. So for the numbering, we have to we have to take care for that should not be repeatedly count, and this 44 is the number where two times this digit occurs. But if we consider complete for the numbers, okay, that seems the 1. This is the one number, but the digit are the 2. This is the meaning. Okay, so these 72 numbers come, and this criteria is same applicable for the 2 to 9. Okay, now there are the 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. This is very important information, as in early previous video also we have seen how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. There are the 25 number. Now there are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. Already we have seen this one also, and these are the pairs as given. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. We know the twin prime numbers having the difference 2. Okay, or we can say the in between the two prime number there is a one even number like this one. So these are the criteria for the twin prime number. So here the table same which already given in your last previous video. The prime numbers from 1 to 100, these are the green color shows the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, then 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Now here the about the twin prime number. So twin prime number are also here shown 3 and 5 like this with arrow, then 5 and 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19 like this one. So these are the 8 pairs are there. So this information you have to remember. Now triangular number. Now triangular number 1, 3, 6, 10, now 15, 21 like this one. So how to prime numbers calculate, that formula also in previous video we have seen. Video number, or we can say the topic number 1.7. Please watch this video regarding the topic 1.7. Same for the square number also. How many square numbers? So 10 square number from 1 to 10. For the this digit, the square numbers are like 1 to 100 like this one. Okay, so we will go through the some example and try to understand the concepts behind these subunits. So question number 1 is there: how many times does the digit 5 occur in the number from the 1 to 100? Now in previously already we have seen the counting, these are the digits. How many times? 1 to 100, 20 times comes. So here the answer 20 times. Now the question number 2: how many two digits, only the regarding the two digit number asking, are there excluding digit 7? Excluding digit 7 is mentioned here. Okay, means how many two digits number? We know the 90. Okay, 90 total counting are the two digit number for the this table. Just a minute, I will open the table here. So from 1 to 100, two digits number, how many? From 10 to 99. We already seen there are the 90 two digit number, means from 1 to 9, and this 100 1. So 100 minus 10, it comes the 90. So total 90 two digits number are there. Now in a question asking excluding the 7 digit. Now we know the excluding the 7 digits. No, we earlier seen how many these numbers are there in a 2-digit numbers, means 2 to 9 means 7 digit also here, so there are the 19. Okay, but if we see the 2 digits occurs, okay, in a 2 digits occur, how many times 7 occurs? 19. But the 77, this digit having the 2 times this digit is there, but we know we have to count only the for the numbering. Okay, so complete numbering has to be considered. So there are the 90, this 90 minus 18 comes. Okay, so 19 minus 90 minus 18, so this is the 72 comes. So 72 mentioned in option number 4. Okay, how this 18 comes, I'm again repeating. See, this 19 comes because of the counting of the digits. Okay, but here the counting for the 77 comes the 2 times, but in our sentence we have to deduct this 77. Already one time deduct means this number has to be deducted from the counting, so no need to count 2 times here. Okay, so this 77 means 19, there are the for the digit occurring, but only for the numbering, here the numbering is mentioned. So there are the 18 such numbers are there which are having the 7 digit, that is the meaning. So 90 minus 18 means 72 numbers. Okay, so 72 numbers such that such numbers are from 1 to 100 which doesn't have the digit 7, like this is the meaning. So excluding digit 7, how many are there? So excluding the digit 7, there are the 72 numbers are there. Now, how many prime numbers are there in a number from 1 to 100? As in previous video also, and here the prime numbers the listed are there. If you counting all these one, there are the 25 prime numbers, 1 2 3 4 like this one. So there are the 25 prime numbers. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Now, how many times the digit 4 occurs in 2-digit number from 1 to 100? Already we seen for the 2 to 9 for the 2-digit number. So for the 2-digit numbers, so here the 19 countings are there. So the 19 means the option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 5. How many numbers are there which do not have 0 in them from 1 to 100? Okay, which do not have the 0. As early we know how many numbers are there. Now here not a digit counting, here the number counting are how many numbers, we have to count the numbers. Okay, so how many numbers are there? We know from 10 to 100, these are the 10 numbers. Okay, so 100 minus 10 means 90. These are, so total how many numbers are there? So there are the total 90 numbers which do not have 0, or we can say excluding of the 0 digit, like this is also the meaning. Okay, now how many times does the digit 6 occur at tens place from 1 to 100? 6 place, digit 6 should be comes at the, so I will just open this one. So 6 at the tens here comes, then from here 61 to 69. So 61 to 69, this is the 9 counting, and here the 110 counting. So there are the total 10 counting. So 10 counting means option number 2 is the correct one. Now the question number 7. How many times does the digit 8 occurs at unit place from 1 to 100? Now only the about the unit place. Okay, so only unit place means, now here the unit place, here the unit place, here also and here also. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now here the tens place, here tens place, tens place. So this column should not be count, and this column should not be, or this number also should not be considered. Only the counting is the 10. So the answer is the 10. 10 means the option number 1 is the correct one. Question number 8. How many numbers from 1 to 100 are there not having digit 1? Now we know the digit occurring, we calculated 21 for the 1 digit. Okay, 21 time digit occurring, but 1 means double times also 1 comes in a 11. This is the one number 11 where the 2 times occurs. Okay, but we have to count only the number. We should not be count the digit. Means for the 11 1 times only counted. So means how many numbers are there? So there are the such a 20 numbers are there where the one digit is included. This is the meaning. Okay, now these 20 numbers are there such a number which have the digit 1, but here the in question we have to consider not having the digit 1 means 100 minus this 20, so 80 numbers are there which do not have the digit 1, so the option number 4 is the correct one. Now the question number 9, how many two digits numbers are there between 1 to 100 which have digit 4 at the tens place and digit 3 at its unit place? Now, four digits counting for the tens place. We know the four counting. Now here the unit place, sorry, 10 place, here the tens place, here the 10 place. So 1 to 9 and this 1. So 10. So here the tens for the 4 tens comes, and for the 3, but the 3 should be at the unit place. So 3 also are the in a two digit numbers. Okay, we have to consider these 3 as a unit place. So we early know there are the 10 digits are there, or we can say the 10 times only for the consideration at the unit place, but this should not be considered. So only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So for the these 3 there are the 9 times comes. Okay, 9 places respectively. So 10 and 9. So 10 and 9 mentioned in option number 2. Question number 10. How many square numbers are there between 1 to 100? As early we have seen, so in a square tables means here if we counted 1 2 3 4, so the number 1 to 10 have their squares from 1 to 100. So how many there are? There are the 10. So the 10 is the option number 1 is the correct one. Now how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 50 such that if we enter change the place of their digits, the number remain as a prime number? Okay, so how many prime numbers are there for 1 to 50? So there are the 1 to 50 means and interchanging means only the two digit number we have to consider. So 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, then 29, 31, 37, 43, sorry, 41 also there, and 43. Okay, now we have to interchange this one digits means unit place unit number or unit digit should be comes at the tens digit, and tens digit is should be comes at the unit digit. Okay, unit place. So if we interchange for the 11, okay, the same number 11 comes, and this is the prime number, so this comes, so this is the 1. Then 13, if you interchange the digits the number comes the 31. Okay, and 31 is the prime, so this is also come. Now 17, and after the interchanging that comes the 71, so this is also the prime number. So 1 2 and 3 up to this we got the 3 numbers. Now 19, so 19 if you interchange that comes the 91, but 91 is not a prime number because this it comes in a 7 or we can say the 13 table, so this one not. Then 23, so here the 2, here the 2. Okay, so 2 if comes at the unit place, this is the even number and this is not a prime number. Same like a 4 also, this is a time saving trick we can say. If there is a 10 at the even, and after this interchange it comes at the unit place, but we know the even number which is having at the unit place, that number doesn't have the prime number, only excluding the 2 single digit. Okay, so 31 comes the 13 which is have the prime number. Now 73 also have the prime number, so here the 1 and here the 1. So 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total there are the 5 such numbers are there for 1 to or we can say between 1 to 50. If we interchange their digits place, then also we got the prime number like this one. This is the meaning. Now how many numbers are there between 1 to 100 which have digit 1 and 2 respectively? Okay, how many digits we know for the 1 at the digit? So digit at the for the 1 there are the 21 digits. Okay, so 21 digits are there, but in this one what we have asked, there are in between the 1 to 100, how many digits? 1. So we know that this is the 21 digits are there, okay, and the 2 are the 20. So how many? 21 and the 20. So the answer 21 and the 20 means option number 1 is the correct one.